Good morning, everyone. I'm Riley King, and welcome to my morning news report right here on the Riley King Network. Let's begin. Important safety reminders ahead of major snowstorm. Up to 20 inches of snow expected for most of New Hampshire. For the first time this winter, most granite staters will see more than a foot of snow in a single storm. Given that it's been several months since the last significant winter storm, there are important things to remember. Power outages. If the power goes out, you are encouraged to call your electricity provider. Eversource report an outage at 800-662-7764. Liberty Utilities report an outage at 855-349-9455. New Hampshire Electric Co-op report an outage at 800-343-6432. And Unitil report an outage at 866-900-4115. If you see downed power lines, call 911. Assume they are still live wires and do not touch them or drive over them. If a line falls on your car, stay in your car until emergency crews arrive. People are also urged to stay at least 35 feet away from downed lines and anything they fall on. State fire officials urge those who are at home without power to be cautious when using generators or alternate heating sources. Generator safety. Officials said residents should only use a generator that has been properly connected to house wiring by a professional. Generators should be run outside and at least 10 feet away from a building with the exhaust facing away from the house. Improperly installed or running generators can cause carbon monoxide poisoning. Anyone who suspects carbon monoxide in a home or building is urged to leave immediately and call 911 before calling the State Poison Center at 1-800-222-1222. Snow safety. New Hampshire Department of Transportation officials routinely ask that residents avoid crowding plows and slow down to allow for snow removal on state roadways. Officials also recommend that residents clear snow from around lights, vents, and fire hydrants. Meanwhile, Jessica law requires all drivers to clear snow and ice off their vehicle before hitting the roads. Jessica's law requires New Hampshire drivers to clear snow off cars. Since 2002, New Hampshire drivers have been legally required to clear snow and ice off their cars before getting on the road. Jessica's law was passed after Jessica Smith was killed when ice from a tractor trailer hit a box truck that ended up hitting her car. Drivers who violate the law face fines of $250 to $500 for the first offense and $500 to $1,000 for multiple offenses. Jessica's mother, Linda Smith, told News 9 in 2015 that she sees snowy cars every day and she doesn't want other mothers to suffer her loss. It takes not even 5 minutes to clear off your car, she said. It can take 3 seconds to kill somebody. And that does it for my morning news report right here on the Riley King Network. I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you back here later on today for another news report. Goodbye, everyone.